Hello my dear friends, today we are just near Mugla, and that's village in Mugla province in Turkey. And we are pleased to come here to this special place with beekeeping farms, just to watch for all these beehives here, over 300 beehives here. This is one-story beehive, very simple construction, but the most important here, a lot of red pine trees with honeydew producer, and this is a scale, Machalina hellenica, which is giving dew, honeydew for bees, and they are collecting it, they are harvesting it, and they bring this harvest to these beehives. The construction of beehives is pretty simple. Nevertheless, you see so many of them all around, 300 or even more. We didn't calculate, we didn't count. So the harvest is not so high, approximately 10, 15, 20 kilos per hive during the season. Despite it's just winter time now, but it's, you know, now it's November. Nevertheless, it's pretty warm at 25, 30 degrees. So it's a time for bees, pretty nice. So flying around, they're collecting honeydew. So we're happy because they came here just to enjoy beekeeping and to enjoy this interesting place, and wish to share our experience and to watch for this beekeeping farm in Turkey. So we will show you a little bit more, a little bit around, people growling, so we need to catch more video and to show something more interesting. Hello, just watch channel, press like and write your comments. I'm looking forward to see you on my channel. Good luck. And I'm following to these people and to these bees.
Шишка.
Это на тачок или куда?
И на тачок тоже, да?
Ale przyjmij to, no.
Ale to weź, no przecież jak ten
No nauczysz się, no. Będziesz pracował, to jest nauczysz. Nie wiesz szczegółów, oglądam.
No tam śmielenie nie ten.
Ну, немножко беспокоится. Все. Okay, thank you.
Куда дальше? Туда, да? А что ты должен вчера?
Анатолийska to dobra przodka. Previous.
Podkarmiaczek jest dział.
Queen bees.
Yes.
Queen bee?
Yeah, queen bees.
Podkarmiaczki.
You see queen bees?
I don't see. А, ну для осенения ожидания. Нуклеусы.
Покрытие вкусовое.
Нуклеусы. Ага. Нуклеусы.
To nie jak Janowski.
Ale tu.
Ой, ну одна
No
пчела
bo
на
wyprawy,
раз.
no.
Czy nas to wszędzie takie stany.
Ой, меня ужалило.
Ja to nie patrz, mają te skóry.
Yes, number 1, 2 and 3.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, nice. Thank you.
Roman, nie chciałeś coś zapytać? Może jego zapytam, on na pewno będzie wiedział. Tylko, wiesz co, nie wiem, nie, ja się boję.
Do
Nie,
mnie.
ja się
Chodź do mnie, ja nie kąsam.